You really believe this story? I mean, Osama bin Ladna?
Yeah.
What part convinced you?
Her confidence.
Zero Dark 30 is about the decade-long hunt for arguably the world's most dangerous man.
I'm not your friend. I'm not going to help you. I'm going to break you. Any questions?
We all think we know what went down, but this film actually shows the people behind the almost decade-long operation.
I want to make something absolutely clear. There's nobody else hidden away on some other floor. There is just us.
You've got the most dangerous man in the world. You've got a small band of people that are scattered across the globe, intensely trying to find him, and the stakes are the lives of thousands of innocent people.
If you're right, the whole world's gonna win in on this.